Alright, YouTube, it's me, David Harry, your favourite YouTuber and vlogger. Right, what it is, in this video, I'm just going to explain why I've cancelled my subscription to GoPro. But before that, right now what I'm on is a Hero 11 with a Road Video Mic Pro Plus with its dead cat on. It's quite windy and stuff. I've actually just done a video about this setup, so have a look at my recent videos, or there might be a link somewhere if it's gone active, to give you an idea of this setup in a little bit more detail and whatnot. Anyways, so to the point, why I have, like, you know, cancelled my GoPro subscription. It's dead easy. I would never have had that subscription if like GoPro weren't like shanghaiing people into you know, buying the subscription in order to get the reduced price of their latest Hero camera. I think that the vast majority of people who have ever bought those GoPro subscriptions have done it because they're essentially forced into it to get the cheaper price on the latest Hero. Now, given that when you have that subscription, you get $100 off, or like €100 or £100 off the latest Hero camera when it comes out. Hence why people get the subscription and then get the $100, pounds or euros off the latest Hero. Now, given that I am definitely not going to buy that Hero 12, that's the reason why I'm cancelling the subscription. Because with that subscription, the only advantage I've ever had out of it was that I think I bought 2 media mods and you get like a certain reduction. And if memory serves me well, then a lot of the like peripherals that you used to be able to buy with that subscription, I'm fairly sure you used to get more of a reduction off them a few years back. And I think they stopped applying that reduction to certain things in the shop as well. When it used to be more things in the shop, you got the reductions on, and I do believe that the reductions were slightly better as well a few years back. Anyway, that notwithstanding or anything like that, the main reason why I had the subscription is because, like I say, you're almost press ganged into getting it in order to get the better price off GoPro anyway, when realistically GoPro should be just knocking out those cameras at $100, pounds, euros less than what they bring them out for anyway. Yeah, so basically, as far as I'm concerned, that subscription is absolutely useless to me personally. Now, when I say it's absolutely useless to me personally, I would love to know of other people out there, what do they think of like the value to that GoPro subscription? And indeed, did most other people out there actually only get it so that they got the less, like the money off the Hero when they bought the Hero, when they got the subscription? Because like I say, for me personally, the whole thing's a bit of a con. I mean,